welcome back to Craig's Returning Gardens. Today I'm going to take you through 3 little jobs I'm going to do. This job is for a lady called Joan who I've been coming to for over 10 years, so hopefully you can see the progress as it goes on. that's job 2 done. It's getting hotter, as you can see from my condition. So yeah, that lady, bless her, she suffers with dementia, so unfortunately I have to deal with her daughter, and it's getting worse. I've been coming here now for 2-3 years, and we used to have a bit of a chat, but unfortunately now she doesn't come out to see me or anything, so I just get done as quick as I can, just so I don't, you know, cause her any problems. And yeah, so that one's done. As I've said before, you'll probably have seen these jobs on previous videos, but just taking you through today. So on to the next one, 3 of number 4. So on the way to job number 3, just a small grass cutting job. Another sad story really. So this lady, I cut her grass obviously and try and keep the garden tidy for her, and because her husband was ill, he couldn't do it anymore, and she rang me. I actually made a video or a short on it, on this garden, and she rang me to remind me that she wanted me to come and do it this week. And she said whilst I was there last time, the husband actually passed away whilst I was doing the garden. Obviously she didn't tell me, so when she came to pay me, he must have already been passed away, which is gutting. So yeah, I think doing these YouTube videos, obviously I've only been doing them 6-7 months now, and I think the dream for me is to one day be able to help people out and not have to charge anything. I try and do them as cheap as I can for vulnerable people, but the dream, how nice would it be to be able to help these people out for nothing, and take that stress away from them with everything else they have to deal with. So yeah, we'll just arrive in there now, and then we'll get cracking with this one. So on reflection, getting to the job and speaking to the lady, I decided not to film the job, just out of respect for what she's going through. So we'll pick that one up next time, and I did it for her without charge as well. She looks like she's struggling a lot, obviously. So right, so that's job 3 done, and on to the 4th of the day. So last job of the day today. It is roasting hot here as well. Still got a heat wave, just does not let up. So this last job, it's I've done a few videos here already. The main one being the moss nightmare. If you haven't seen it, I'll try and put a link on the screen now. So we're back here again. It's a monthly job I've got. A lovely bloke called Paul, and yeah, we're going to try and keep it as healthy as possible in this blistering heat. It looks like it's dying already from here, so he works away quite a lot, so it's hard to get him to keep on top of water in it. But as you'll see from the video, we're going to give it a nice cut and then put some treatment down, just some granules, and then hopefully get him to give it some watering over the weekend. So as you can see, that job, or all the jobs really, struggling due to the heat we're getting, and like me, to be honest. So if you've enjoyed the videos, make sure you leave a like. This will be a regular series for me, so obviously they won't always be the same jobs. The do a lot more than what I've shown already, obviously, but almost didn't make any this week because of the heat. But yeah, make sure you stay tuned, and hopefully I'll see you next time. Cheers.